There are 8 steps to Sharanagati. It starts with Shravanam, and that's what we did today. And then the second step is Kirtanam, and that's what we did today. Right? And then the next is Kirtanam and performing, telling the pastimes of the Lord. Right? So amongst the pastime of the Lord, we did the Ucharan of a very important adhyaya of Ramcharitmanas. Right? But I do not know how many of you understood every word of it. Anyone who understood every word of it? So that is the reason why we have to do some, in the gathering of people, we have to discuss some aspects of what we have discussed today. And it is not I telling you, it needs to be a participation by everybody. Somebody needs to ask the question, and whoever knows should answer it. It's not a one-way traffic. It needs to be understood. So I would like to just read for you, because I don't feel I'm still qualified. I'd like to read for you. There are 2 situations in Ramcharitmanas. One is when Lord Ram approaches and fulfills the desire of his devotee, Shabri. Who was Shabri? Any children who can tell me? Who was Shabri? Anyone? Okay. If not the children, the teenagers can tell. Shabri. Who was Shabri? Shabri was a Bhelani. Exactly. And we read it today, right? So when Shabri comes about there, and let me read it, and then everybody understands Hindi, or anybody who can only understand English? So we can read just the translation of that. So when Shabri Mata meets Sri Ram, and Sri Ram accepts the bail, the tasted bail, the qualified bail that she gives to Shabri, Shabri feels that she is very fallen, that she is a Adivasi, and she has become old and she has been waiting for Sri Ram for such a long time. But what does Ram say? Can people who are talking, maybe you can talk a little further away? So Sri Ram says, Jati pati kul dharma badai, dhan bal parijan gun chaturai, bhagati heen nar sohai kaise, bin jal barid dekhahi jaise. Meaning, jati pati kul dharma badai, dhan bal kutumb गुण और चतुरता, इन सबके होने पर भी भक्ति से रहित मनुष्य कैसा लगता है? Without devotion, how does it appear? जैसे जलहीन बादल दिखाई पड़ता है. बादल तो है, पर जलहीन है. Without water, right? And then comes. He gives this instruction, and this instruction is valid for all of us. Says, Navada bhakti karahu tohi pai, savadhan sun dharuman mahi. There are 9 steps to bhakti. Savadhan man, be careful and accept this in your mind. What is it? Pratham bhakti santah kar sanga. The first step is santon ki sangat kar. दूसरी रति मन कथा प्रसंगा, and that's what we are trying to do, is amongst the devotees katha prasanga, discuss his pastimes, okay, of the 9 steps. And then it says Guru Pad Pankaj Se, Guru Pad Pankaj, no Guru Pad Pankaj Seva, तीसरी भगति अमाना, चौथी भगति मम गुण गण करहि कपटि तजी गाना. So these are the next two steps, which is तीसरी भक्ति है अभिमान रहित होकर गुरु के चरणों में सेवा, और चौथी भक्ति यह है कि कपट छोड़ मेरे गुण समूहों का गान करो। दिस इज डिवोशन। मंत्र जाप मम दृढ़ विश्वासा, पंचम भजन जो वेद प्रकाशा। मेरा राम नाम मंत्र का जाप करो, चैंट माय नेम राम। ओके, मेरा मंत्र का जाप और मुझ पे दृढ़ विश्वास, ये तीसरी भक्ति, चौथी है, यह पांचवी भक्ति है जो वेदों में प्रसिद्ध है। छठी भक्ति है इंद्रियों का निग्रह, शील, अच्छा स्वभाव या चरित्र, बहुत कार्यों में वैराग्य और निरंतर संत पुरुषों के धर्म में लगे रहना। दिस इज द सिक्स्थ, and this one I think we should all take a little pride, because what does it say? इंद्रियों का निग्रह, शील, बहुत कार्यों में वैराग्य और निरंतर संत पुरुषों का धर्म में आचरण। We are in the West, unlike people in the East. You have access to wealth and lot of other unwanted nonsense, but you choose not to be attracted to that, and that is a very high achievement. That really makes you qualified. Stay on this, have faith. Okay? सातवां सम मोही में जग देखा, मोते संत अधिक करी लेखा। आठवां जथा लाभ संतोषा, सपने नहीं देखई पर दोषा। सातवीं भक्ति है जगत भर को संभाव से मुझ में ओत प्रोत देखना, और संतों को मुझसे भी अधिक मानना। आठवीं भक्ति है जो मिल जाए उसी में संतोष करना, और स्वप्न में भी पराये दोषों का ना देखना। नवम सरल सब सन छल हीना, मम भरोसा है हर्ष न दीना। नव मुँह एकहु जिह के होई, नारी पुरुष सचराचर कोई। नवी भक्ति है सरलता और सबके साथ कपट रहित बर्ताव करना, हृदय में भरोसा रखना, किसी भी अवस्था में हर्ष और दैत्य विषाद न होना। इन नवों में जिनके एक भी होते हैं, वह स्त्री पुरुष जड़ चेतन कोई भी हो। एंड सो इट सेज, हे बीमानी, मुझे वही अत्यंत प्रिय है, फिर भी तुम में जो सभी प्रकार की भक्ति दृढ़ है, अतएव जो गति योगियों को भी दुर्लभ है, वही आज तेरे लिए सुलभ हो गई है। दिस इज हिज इंस्ट्रक्शन टू Shabari, and we should all learn from it and take it to our life. So this is one part, and there is one very interesting thing which is in Ramayana also there is a Gita, and we don't have time for it, but thank you very much for listening. Jai Shri Ram.
एक बार भाई साहब के लिए ताली बजा दीजिए। भाई साहब नाम क्या है? थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत नॉलेज रखते हो, थैंक यू वेरी मच, सबको अच्छा लगा। और अभी